In this video, I'm going to show you how I used a heating mat to proof some sourdough bread. The mat I will be using is this 10-inch by 20-inch seedling heat mat. I purchased this from Amazon for about 13 bucks. These heating mats pull about 18 watts, so they'll bring the ambient temperature up 15 to 20 degrees. My bread kitchen is in my basement and runs about 65 degrees. This should allow me to bring the temperature up to about 85 degrees. At 85 degrees, my proofing time should each complete in about 2 hours, which is what I'm looking for. To test the concept, I place a large bowl on the mat with a sensor inside so I can monitor the temperature rise. The PID controller is only monitoring the temperature. It's not being used to control the mat. After I let things settle down for about 15 or 20 minutes, I see that I'm getting about a 27 degree rise. So that's a little more than I want, but I can work with it. I'm going to use the lid of the bowl as a base. This will help insulate the dough from the mat and lower the rise in temperature. I add a little flour and place the dough on the lid and cover with the bowl. In this first bulking proof, I'm looking for the dough to rise 25 to 50% or so. I created this time lapse of the bread rising. This is over a 2-hour period. Once the dough has finished proofing, I remove the bowl. I do the final shaping of my bread and prepare for the final proof. The problem is I want to bake in this cast iron sandwich bread pan, but it will not fit under my bowl, so I'm going to have to come up with something else in order to proof this. I found this old turkey roaster, and it seems to fit over top of the cast iron pan just fine. So this is what we'll do our second proof in. After 2 hours, I check the dough, and oh yeah, it's perfect. Let's bake it. As you can see here, it turned out to be a beautiful loaf of sourdough sandwich bread. The heating mat worked perfectly. It may have gotten a little too warm, thus causing it to proof a little too much, but I can play with that. So be sure to visit the Bread and Ammo website, and until next time.